Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video presentation for this summative segment. Today I will choose my favorite series, Lupin, a French my mystery crime series on Netflix, which is inspired by the classic character Arsène Lupin. The concealment thief. I will be analyzing this series based on this plot. Development of the main character, the moral Islamic values it conveys, and my personal reflection. And number one, let's start with the plot, divided into the five main part of the story. The story began by introducing Assane Diop, whose father, Babakar Diop, was falsely accused of stealing the Mary Antonie necklace from the Whitley Pellegrini's family, ultimately leading Babakar to commit suicide in prison, who see young Assane vowing to seek revenge for this profound injustice. Adult Assane, inspired by the Arsène Lupin books, entitled his plan to clear his father's name. He carries out his first major haste, stealing the Mary Antoinette necklace at an auction. This action attracts the attention of the police and provokes a reaction from Hubert Pellegrini, the man who framed his father. Assane continues to execute various elaborate schemes, using his skill as master of this justice to find a fighter and get closer to exploit Pellegrini. The major turning point is when Assane family gathers undeniable proof, often to take risky action to frame Hubert Pellegrini and expose his past crime to the public. For example, he performed a grand final to ensure Pellegrini's arrest, where the truth about the corruption is finally unveiled. Following the climax, the tension begins to ease. Pellegrini is detained to the truth about Babakar's Diop. Announced start to come to light. Assane, although successful, has to go back on the run due to his status as a fugitive. He ensures his main goal is achieved before disappearing. The series concealed with Assane successfully carrying his father's names and taking revenge on Pellegrini. He chose to disappear and hide like Lupin. To protect his family, Assane's freedom is complete. Next, we look at the character development of Assane Diop. Character traits. Assane is introduced as intelligent, charismatic, and skills, but one who carries deep emotional pain and powerful design for revenge. He is a master manipulator, yet his initial focus on revenge often makes him incur risks to his relationship. The primary external factors are the death of his father and injustice orchestrated by the powerful Hubert Pellegrini. The Arsène Lupin books also serve as an external influence that provide him with his person and method. His main internal conflict lies in the balancing his missing for revenge with his deep love and responsibility toward his son Raoul and ex-wife Claire. He also struggled with the guilt of not having saved his father. Assane remains charismatic, but he demonstrates he succeeded in releasing the burn of revenge and focus on justice. His priorities shift from personal vengeance to the protect of his family, leading him to his own freedom. The main moral values is the struggle for justice and integrity against corruption and the abuse of power. A saint correct a saint act as a gentleman type to expose the truth. Furthermore, the importance of family responsibility is recurring them, as Asen consistently prioritizes his family safety. We can draw parallels with the concept of justice and the strong emphasis on fighting oppression. Asen ultimate goals to expose the oppressor alike with the principle of upholding justice. Additionally, his motivation to clear his father's name reflect to the importance of fiat piety in Islam. However, it is important to note that Asan method of death, while serve a noble cause, is entirely unlawful. Finally, my personal reflection: if I were in a same situation, I would carry feels the same powerful urge to seek justice for my parents. However, I would not make the decision to steal or break the law. As a person guided by ethical principles, I believe that a noble goal must be achieved through lawful and correct means. I would strive to gather evidence and present it through legal channels or the media to expose Pellegrini's crimes. A son chose result in a life on the run, separating him from his family. I would choose a path that ensure I can live freely and be surrounded with my family once justice is achieved. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.